to break through to greater success. My name is Mandy Napier and I'm the owner and founder of Mindset for Success. If you're feeling a little bit stuck, overwhelmed or unmotivated, then this program is for you. If you know what you need to do, as most of us do, and you're not doing it, this program is for you. If you're not achieving the results you want in your business, or you're feeling a bit stale or jaded, or you're just in a bit of a fog, lacking clarity, then this program is for you. Now, this program isn't for you if you want someone to do everything for you. If you're not prepared to get a little uncomfortable and commit for 12 weeks and do a small amount of home play. However, if you are ready to invest in yourself, I guarantee when you join this program, you will transform your results. How do I know? Because over the past 14 years, I have been helping people transform their lives, specifically helping them discover the patterns and programs that are redundant, yet they're still playing out in their lives and shaping their results. I know that as humans, we tend to get in our own way and we cannot see ourselves as other people do. With my help, you will discover your hidden programs and patterns that are holding you back in your life. When you see what is hidden and you become aware, magic truly happens, just as happened to the participants on the previous course. Take Jo, who has finally done her first podcast after years of not being able to step through her fear. Her words, magic. And Elaine, who's discovered a whole new inner strength and confidence. And Alice, who now has tools and techniques to overcome her anxiety and feels way more confident. Scott, who said he had the best day in 18 years. And Raquel, who realized that her past experiences and thoughts were holding her back from stepping into her potential. Now she knows she can create her future on her terms. So if you want to transform your results, then I encourage you to join now. Check out the action taker bonuses because I always reward action takers. So enroll today and join a small group of like-minded people. And remember, it's my mission to ensure you get awesome results. If you have any questions, then please reach out. Otherwise, I look forward to meeting you very soon.